In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer Bitcoin from Robinhood to Trezor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up any Trezor hardware wallet that you have and how to transfer Bitcoin or any other crypto asset from Robinhood. So first, make sure that you have the latest version of the Trezor Suite application downloaded on your computer. This is where you will be able to manage all of the assets that you have on your Trezor and make sure that you can generate a Bitcoin address for your Trezor. So download this application if you don't have it installed already, and first connect your Trezor to your computer using the provided USB cable. By doing this, you will have access to all of the assets after you include your PIN on your Trezor by unlocking it and open Trezor Suite. Now click the plus sign at the left side of the screen and this will allow you to generate a new Bitcoin address. You will be able to choose between sending Bitcoin or receiving Bitcoin to your Trezor. So just select receive and the address will be generated on screen. You can now copy this address and you will be able to input it into Robinhood. So log into your Robinhood account, navigate to your Bitcoin holdings, and you will be able to find the option to transfer or withdraw. Sometimes it might also say send. Just find the option related to sending Bitcoin from Robinhood to another external wallet. Paste the Bitcoin address that was generated on your Trezor, double check everything for accuracy, and be aware of any possible fees. Enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to transfer and confirm it. The transfer should go through as long as the Bitcoin address that you generated through Trezor was properly activated and you are ready to receive the asset in your Trezor wallet. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish and you should be able to see all of your assets arrive safely on your Trezor hardware wallet. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, try repeating this and sending small amounts first. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Bitcoin from Robinhood to Trezor wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.